Is it a good time to travel to Costa Rica in 2021? Let's find out.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
I need your spot. Did you stay in Costa Rica?
Welcome Costa Rica.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you stopped by my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me, I really would appreciate it. So I just got to beautiful Costa Rica. Right now I'm in this city of Manuel Antonio. Pura vida, which means pure life. So today I am planning to walk around the beach, and then from here I'm gonna end up going to the Manuel Antonio National Park, trying to find myself some monkeys. I haven't seen monkeys in a while. Matter of fact, it's been since like 4 years ago when I went to Thailand. But yeah, other than that though, stay tuned. What's up guys? So I'm in Manuel Antonio, I'm gonna walk towards the beach. Hola. 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 Hey, people are pretty friendly over here. Look at this, I found an abandoned coconut. It looks pretty old. Got the ocean right here, connects to a river, and ends up turning into a lake. That's pretty cool. These are literally the biggest pineapples I've ever seen. What's up YouTube? This is your boy Nas Worldwide. So it's day 2 in Costa Rica. So far I'm loving it here. Everyone's friendly, beautiful nature, and crazy drivers. Anyways, and now I'm on my way to the where am I going? Right now I'm going to the Manuel Antonio National Park. Yesterday I tried going over there, but everything was closed because I showed up pretty late. Other than that though, enjoy. Yeah, I'm going there. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Pura vida.
Pura vida. One thing to take consideration guys, you know, whenever you walk around and you end up looking like a gringo, be careful because a lot of people end up approaching you. Right now I'm kind of dressed like a gringo just because I'm planning on taking some good pictures. However, just be careful because some people out there, they take advantage of you. Obviously, you know, by giving you the gringo price. But for me, I'm not a gringo, I'm a worldwide traveler. ¿Cómo está? Wow.
I need to get on
No, he just...
Hey, put your mask on.
So pura vida means pure life.
That means that you're happy, that you're having a good time.
Nice. I'm definitely having a good time.
Costa Rica is a very small country.
Okay.
It's not military. Very cool, very safe. And here is a slot. He was my grandpa.
Manuel Antonio is your grandpa?
See, I'm Fabian Antonio.
Wow.
It's just one more story. See, just kidding. One thing is not it's black.
Got the beach number 2 in Manuel Antonio National Park. They got these views. Incredibly beautiful over here. I haven't really walked or hopped in the water yet. Wow. These waves sneak up on you. A broken bridge. I'm not sure if I'm going the right way. I'm abandoned airplane. Let's go check it out. What's up, guys? So I am ready to go ziplining in the jungles of Costa Rica. I'm really excited. I haven't gone ziplining in quite a while now. It's actually been like a few years. Last time I went ziplining was somewhere in Mexico. Oh shit! Oh, man, that's baby pineapples. Dominical. Just got to Dominical. Nice and quiet. It's like a small village. Hey, myself a new friend. Say what's up, Alex. He's from England. We're about to head up the waterfalls together. So right now we're trying to find a cab. Trying to go straight to the waterfalls.
Nos han dicho que debe costar como 3,500.
We'll find somewhere else real quick.
Desgraciadamente no hay espacio.
La oficina son 8,000 colones and the parking 10,000 colones for the 2 kilometers more. 8,000 colones, okay.
Es que
Alright, we wash our hands everywhere we go. What's up, guys? Right now I'm about to hop on a boat to check out some crocodiles. Crazy, he's making these noises. Bring out the crocodiles. On the way to La Fortuna. Looks like a hotel. I just got to La Fortuna today. I'm gonna be sign up for a couple waterfalls, volcanoes, then get something to eat, and then after that, we'll see what happens, I guess. Okay guys, so I'm trying to figure out where am I gonna go to get something to eat. This guy's Restaurante El Rio. I heard it's like well-known spot to eat some authentic Costa Rican food.
Casado con pescado.
Okay guys, so I just got the Costa Rican dish. I'm about to try it. Let's see how it tastes. A little salty, but it tastes pretty good. Now let's try the fish. That's really, really good. Now we're gonna try this side right here. Wow, that's definitely I can definitely feel the Costa Rican authentic taste. That's the plantains right here. The plantain, sweet, very, very sweet and delicious. But right now, I'm about to go rent a scooter for the day. Yeah, about to rent a scooter.
Oh, perfecto. Thank you. The light home? Did you have home?
So I just got to this hot spring in Costa Rica, La Fortuna. I am pretty amazed because I never expected the water to be this warm. There's some graffiti on the wall, graffiti on the other side. The water's not that deep though, so I think I'm wearing some hiking shoes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I took my shoes off. Right now I am starting my hike, about a 15-minute hike to the waterfalls. It looks like there's a checkpoint down there or something. Costa Rica is really pandemic. Oh man, I don't think this is a good idea. Fuck it. Such a jungly feel. So today's my last day in Costa Rica. Right now I'm on my way to go get my COVID test because tomorrow's my flight and it's required to get a COVID test prior to your departure to the US. So I hope I test negative, so wish me luck.
Email y tu teléfono, your phone and your email.
Wow. Bien? Listo. Listo. So I just got the COVID test, wasn't too bad. It cost me about $56 US. Just wanted to really get that out of the way before my flight tomorrow morning. Other than that, today I'm gonna be checking out my hotel and then hop on the bus and go straight to San Jose on my last day.
After exploring Costa Rica from the past 7 days, this biodiverse country has so much to offer, from the warmest, friendliest people I've ever met, exotic tasting foods, beautiful nature, and wild animals. I hope this video showed you that it's definitely a good time to travel to Costa Rica in the year 2021. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, share this video, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next travel video. Peace.